How about this? Supreme's next drop. A 35 millimeter camera. Go ahead, Will.
It's about time.
Stop it. You like this?
No, I don't. I don't really care too much about it, but
Okay. You just feel.
I'm just curious about how much it can fetch.
You mean on the secondary market?
Sure, yeah.
Supreme, the streetwear brand notorious for slapping its name on everything, they're going to put out a reusable Yashica MF1 35 millimeter film camera because you got to do the throwback thing because it's cool now.
Do you know anything about this company and the camera?
I do not. It sounds Japanese. I don't know it, but I guess there's some history to it. You remember point and shoot film cameras, don't you?
I do.
Yeah. That was 24 exposures maybe, and you had to wait to get it developed. Isn't that dope? David Dobrik's new app is trying to be it's trying to be a disposable. This is not disposable.
Yeah.
This one is, you can put batteries in it, you keep using it. You just got to replace the film.
Right.
You can buy the camera right now for $59 at Walmart.
Yeah.
Without the Supreme branding on it. Oh, boy.
Works just as well.
Oh, boy. And what are they going to charge for it?
Where's the article here?
The camera should be available at around 11 a.m. Eastern on March 25th from Supreme's physical and online stores for a little over $60.
Okay.
So they're not even trying. They won't make the premium. Some other collectors and resellers will.
Right.
Wait a sec. March 25th. So you can check that right now. Go to their website. See if it's sold out yet. You can pick one up. I know this is what you need in your life. Just another hunk of plastic that you can stare at and be like,
hey, now it's a camera.
Yeah, but you're not. What are you doing? You're taking film photos now? You're not cool enough for that.
No.
Like, you got stuff going on, man. You're not cool enough to be. Imagine I saw you in the street and you have a Supreme camera and you're snapping.
Like, hey, Lou, how's it going, man?
Oh my God. Oh my God, man.
I guess I don't think it's out yet. Maybe there's a time.
11 a.m. Eastern on March 25th.
Or is this is not the official website? Is
Ooh, no, you got spoofed. Did you?
Oh, jeez.
Did you get spoofed?
What do you mean?
I don't know. Like that site, streetwearofficial.com, that's not real. There it is.
Oh, here it is.
Well, showing the people that
Why is
thing.
there the map there? It's very confusing.
Showing the people that thing? What is this? This is the website now? Oh, my God.
Well,
Why does everything have to be so cool all the time?
It says it drops maybe in 2 hours. What time is it? Oh, no, it's already.
Why is everything so cool all the time?
Everything's so hard. We're old men here.
It's because it has to be so cool all the time.
Is there a password, or do I have to
just start hitting your keyboard?
Just slamming my face on the keyboard.
Yes, that's exactly what you're expected to do. 5:09 p.m. What's that supposed to mean? That's an hour ago. New York time, isn't it? Yeah, that's an hour ago. Same. We're in the same time zone. I don't know. I don't have the energy for the cool cryptic drops.
Yeah, maybe someone.
There's no more drops, okay? Nothing is dropping.
Oh, jeez.
Stay tuned for the next drop. It's dropping. No, you're selling something.
Yeah.
It's for sale.
Sure.
Your thing is now for sale. The games with the dropping. No, they want your money, you know? And they'll use any word. Anyone who wants money from you will use the word that triggers the activity that forces you to send them money.
Yes.
If the word happens to be drop, they'll use the word drop.
Mm-hmm. Include fresh in there too. The word fresh.
A fresh drop?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Like, I sell things. I may have even used the word drop. I'm retiring it. I will never do that. And if I do, you call me out. If I ever say I just dropped, something just dropped, there will be punishment. I will punish myself
Sure.
if such a thing happens.
Yeah.
I sell things. I sell cases. Look, this is the new case, all right? This is the Crimson limited edition. It's on the website for a number of different devices, all right? It just became available for sale, but it did not drop. Oh my God. Who even cares? Call it whatever you want to call it. I don't even who even cares? Why am I so angry about it? It's just, I guess my whole Twitter feed just became full of drops and everybody was dropping everything, and
Especially NFTs.
I was just so over it. I just that particular piece of slang is like it's so abundant right now. I think I have an aversion to abundance when something becomes so widely used.
You're sick of it.
It's just not special. It's like
Mm-hmm.
it's too obvious to me. Everybody's hopping in, jumping on the train. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. Whoever floats your boat. It's a tough time. It's 2021.
All right.
If the drops are keeping you alive, then
Yeah.
keep dropping. So do whatever you gotta.